Hi everybody, David Lewis here. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. So when we sign up a dealership for sales training, before we show up for our first visit, we like to do some research on the dealership. We like to mystery shop call them. We like to send them an email requesting information. We look at all their social media. We want to look for failure points within their campaigns. And boy, did we find a big one in a dealership. And they've been doing this for years. So we mystery shop called their dealership and we asked a simple question. We wanted to know, were there any special finance rates on new vehicles? And I'm going to play this call for you. It's about a minute long, and you've got to listen to the very last thing that I say. And she just said, okay. So have a listen.
Thank you for calling. How may I assist you?
Sales, please.
Yeah, new sales. Are you looking for specific sales?
No, I want to know, are there any special finance rates on new Dodge trucks?
On the new Dodge? Bear with me one moment. Okay, I did confirm. That is a conversation we would have in-house. It is an in-house incentive. Did you have a chance maybe to come in today to speak with a salesperson?
No, I'm not going to be able to come in today. All right, so you're not going to let me know unless I come in. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
Did maybe the weekend work for you?
No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to come in at all. Okay, I just wanted to know if there were rates. I mean, I'm just going to call another dealership. It's okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate the time.
Yeah, thank you for your time.
Bye-bye.
Can you believe it? They were not going to give me the subventive rate, whatever special rates they were, over the phone. I had to come to the dealership to do that. And at the end, I just said, okay, well, I'll just call another dealership. And she said, thank you for your time. And that was it. And we wonder why we're not making more money in our dealerships. We make it so hard sometimes for people to do business with us. This dealership has been doing it like this for years. Can you imagine how many deals they have lost?